Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris. I just want to say congratulations on your awesome new Honda Accord LX. I'm going to be showing you guys how to customize your guys' vehicle settings for the 2018, 2019, and 2020 Honda Accord LX. Hopefully it answers all of your guys' questions from this point, and welcome to the Honda family. Let's go set you guys up for success right now. All right guys, so right now we're in the car at the moment. We're at a strain, okay? So the first thing you're gonna select is right over here. You got clock and menu. Let's select that bad boy. We'll come down to, as you're using this dial, and then push it right in for settings. And then we'll come down to vehicle settings. If you can't select this, it's because the vehicle's not in park. Let's get that vehicle in park now for safety so you guys can pay attention here. Select that. First thing that's going to pop up is going to be a tire pressure monitoring system calibration. So if you ever get a low tire pressure light or anything like that indicator over here on your driver's interface, it's an indirect tire pressure. It's telling you to get out there, double check it, make sure everything's where it needs to be at, and then you can reset it from there, all right? So we'll select that, calibrate, boom, done. Now from here, we're gonna go to your driver's assist system setup. This is where you can customize all of your sensing features, all right? You got your forward collision right here. You may select the distance. As you can see, those three options. American Honda has it set at normal for a reason, so I'm gonna keep it on the default, but you may refer to your owner's manual to know the exact distance from there. Now we're gonna have your ACC, is your adaptive cruise control, forward vehicle detection beep. So when you have your adaptive cruise control on, once again, it's gonna be this right here. It finds a little car, gives you a little picture of a car above those lines where you have set it. Do you want it to beep at you? So, hey, Chris, you're slowing down from 45 to 40 miles an hour because we found a car. Yeah, let's do it. I like to have all the beeps on. Oops. You like to have all the beeps on. So whoever's test driving the vehicle, they know what's all available, all right? So you get your road departure right here. You may change the sensitivity of this, so when you go off the road, out of the lanes a little bit, how soon or, sensitive do you want it to bring you back, or do you want it to warn you only and don't have it bring you back? It just, gives you a warning. I'm going to keep it on normal. Lane keeping assist, so when you go out of your lane a little bit, it's going to beep at you as it brings you back. Yeah, let's have it warn me. You got your traffic sign recognition system. So this is simply on or off. That's what we're talking about here. So let's say we're driving down the road. It finds the speed limit 25 miles an hour. It's going to display it right up there in the center for you folks. So you guys know, hey, there's the speed limit. So yeah, let's keep that on. Driver's attention monitor right here. So pretty much I'm going to keep it up where it's at now. Let's say the vehicle knows that you need to pull over, take a break because your driving habits are very terrible right now. Maybe you've just been on the road for too long. It's going to do everything in its power, as you can see, for those two options to tell you, hey, pull over, you need to take a break. So let's do that. Most likely, you guys won't experience that, but let's keep it on there just in case. We'll hit the back button. You got your meter set up. You got your language. I'm going to keep it on English, or I can finish this video. You got your outside temperature display. You can fine tune this within 5-degree swing. You guys can decide what you want. You got your trip A, trip B. They're going to be the same exact thing. So do you want it to manually reset? You got a couple options right there. No wrong or right answers. Just what you guys want. You get your adjusted alarm volume. So this is simply when you have the key fob with you, hit the lock button, it buzzes, your turning indicators, stuff like that. How loud do you want that stuff to be? This is going to be your fuel efficiency backlight. So let's say we're driving down the road, right? And these lights here goes from white to green, gives you a little visual coaching when you're being fuel efficient, the green to white when you're not. So it's just a little visual thing to help you guys level up your fuel efficiency game. If you guys want to pay attention to that, on or off, I'm going to keep it on. Speed and distance right here. Seems like my phone doesn't keep up with the refresh rate on the screen here. So you got a tachometer. I'm going to turn this on. So I'm going to like this. So no matter what I have right over here on the driver's interface, right? On this side, my tachometer is going to be displayed at all times. So let's go to traffic sign. Perfect tachometer. Check that out. It's going to be there. All right. Gives me a nice little kind of sporty kind of vibe. We'll back out. You got your lighting set up. You get interior light dimming time. So there we go. So let's say I shut off the car, shut the door in X amount of time. My lights will turn off in X amount of time. Headlights. shut off the car, shut the door, X amount of time, your headlights will turn off in 15 seconds, 30 seconds. I can think of why you want to customize either of these first two options, just in case, let's say, you get home late at night and you're not in a well-lit situation, maybe work late, all right? So you just need a little extra more time to see where you're going as you're getting somewhere. Or maybe you like me, you don't get out much. I'm home before dark. So 15 seconds is perfect for me. Let's select that. You get your auto light sensitivity. So every time your headlights are on auto, between your day and nighttime transparency levels, how soon do you want your headlights to come on or off? I'm going to keep it on default. And then what were we selecting? Auto light. Interior right here, sensitivity. Once again, just for your interior lights. How bright do you want those lights to be? You got your headlights. Right here. So simply anytime my headlights come on, wipers. Sorry, I said it backwards. So when I got my wipers on, your headlights will come right on. So you got your next settings we're going to come down to is door and window setup for you folks. So we got your auto door locked. I got to turn this down a little bit. We're cooking now finally. Thank you. So how soon do you want your doors to lock? Okay. Do you want your doors to lock when you shift from park, when you're with speed, or have this feature off? You just got in a car. Now we just got where we're going now, all right? When do you want your doors to unlock between those options? Do you want it to unlock when you shift to park? Because, you know, I'm dropping off the kids, doing a lot of errands maybe, passengers with me when I had to shut off the car. So whatever works best for you guys. There's no right or wrong answers. Once again, you got your key and remote. So we got the key fob with us. You hit the unlock button. Do you want all doors to unlock, or do you want just the driver's side door? Now keep in mind, if you do a little double tap action, hit that button twice, all doors automatically lock. So this is talking about the first time using that key fob. Keyless lock answer back. So when you hit the lock button, do you want it to talk back to you? Say, yep, I'm all locked up. Security timer. You hit lock. You hit unlock. Excuse me, unlock, right? And something doesn't open up a door in an X amount of time, boom, all doors automatically lock. So for example, I left something out here, some kind of supplies right here, maybe Lucy did, a middle child, got a book bag out here, unlocked in 30 seconds. If she doesn't open up this door, haha, door's locked on her, she's like, Dad, can you unlock the car again? You know, so there's a good example. All right, then you just get your default, just pretty much reset all this to default for you folks.